Next week, 3 former Minneapolis police officers will go on trial in federal court for violating George Floyd's civil rights. There will be no cameras in the courtroom, which is different from Derek Chauvin's trial that was live streamed around the world. What are the rules for cameras in the courtroom? Good question. As Heather Brown discovered, they could be changing.
Since the 1979 trial of Ted Bundy, we've watched cases in California,
3 cc's of liquid would have no effect whatsoever on those gloves.
Florida,
most well-documented liar ever seen in a courtroom,
Wisconsin,
you should have come and asked.
Georgia.
Guilty.
How would you characterize camera access to Minnesota courtrooms?
Well, up until very recently, it was effectively non-existent.
Here, all parties have to agree to let cameras into criminal trials.
And invariably, somebody would object, and that would be the end of the discussion.
Jane Kirtley studies media law.
How does that compare to other states?
It's extremely unusual. There are only a handful of states that have rules that are as restrictive as the ones in Minnesota.
What changed?
COVID changed.
The courtrooms are small. Fewer people could attend. So we saw the live streaming of Kim Potter's case.
We can talk about jury instructions after we get the testimony in.
After the trial of Derek Chauvin, which was a decision by the judge against the wishes of the prosecutor.
Judges like Judge Cahill made the decision that if we were going to have meaningful public access, we had to have cameras in the courtroom.
And the media asked,
WCCO included,
to have cameras there.
Oh, yes. I mean, this did not just happen with some automatic vision on the part of Judge Cahill.
Verdict, count 1.
In most states, the issue of cameras in the courts is actually decided by the legislature.
But not here in Minnesota. The courts decide here.
That's right.
It's a different story at the federal level, where courtroom sketches are the norm, most recently in the trial of Ghislaine Maxwell, and what we'll see in next week's federal civil rights trial of Thomas Lane, J. Alexander King, and Tu Tao.
Cameras are not allowed in federal trial courts.
And there's not been much movement to change that. But here in Minnesota, the state Supreme Court has asked a committee to look into expanding the camera rules.
So it's safe to say there's been a shift in tone on what the judges think about.
There's been a huge shift in tone. And again, I'm not at all suggesting it's 100%, but I think compared to where we were in, say, 2014,
Heather Brown,
it's a seismic shift.
WCCO 4 News.
That committee advising the Supreme Court has to come up with recommendations by July. In the meantime, it's still up to the judge to give final approval on even the smallest details, like which witnesses will appear on camera, if it can be live streamed, or where the cameras will be placed to best protect the anonymity of the jury. If you have a good question for Heather, just email